Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine. You are doing best in your life. May Allah bless us, accept our prayers. Today in this video, I want to share a zikr. A lady says, I have very powerful, very effective, very result giving zikr. And whenever I did this, alhamdulillah, summa alhamdulillah, my all problems solved. She says one time I had to face some physical issue and I was taking medicine for that problem, but I was not getting health. And that situation, I did the zikr, and within few days, alhamdulillah, I became fine completely without medicine. Now, alhamdulillah, I am healthy. Another time she said I had to suffer financially. We had some financial issues and we had loan. And in that scenario, we did not understand what should we do. Then again, I did this zikr. And alhamdulillah, just because of this zikr, that month we found great profit in our business. And with that profit, we paid off our loan. She said, whenever there is any issue in my family, in my life, I always did the zikr and immediately Allah accept my prayers. And I believe that whenever I do the zikr, always I will be listened, my duas will be answered, and I will get benefit. She says what you need to do. You can do the zikr for any legitimate purpose. She says there are two sunnah in Fajr Salah, two sunnah in Zohar Salah, two sunnah in Isha Salah. In these two sunnah, you have to recite these 6 surah. In first rakah, after Surah Fatiha, recite Surah Kafirun, Surah Nasr, Surah Lahab. And in second rakah, after Surah Fatiha, recite Surah Ikhlas, Surah Falaq, Surah Nas. And you have to recite these surah with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim every time. She says, start doing this zikr, and after completing your salah, pray to Allah that you want this problem will be solved. You want this thing in your life. You want this dua will be accepted. She says within few time you will see you will be helped. Your issues will be solved. Your disease will be ended. You will get money, respect, love, and your duas will be answered. She says this is very effective amal. I have told this many people, and always, whatever and whoever did this, they got result. She says if you can recite in sunnah, you can recite in sunnah, and if you have time, so just perform 2 rakat namaz nafil salah hajat, and in that salah hajat, after Surah Fatiha, recite in first rakah, recite Surah Kafirun, Surah Nasr, Surah Lahab. In second rakah, recite Surah Ikhlas, Surah Falaq, Surah Nas, and complete your salah. And after that, ask your wish, desire, tell your problem to Allah, and see miracles in your life. See blessings and barakah in your life. Immediately you will be helped. Immediately you will be helped. Your loan will be paid off. If you are suffering from any disease, your disease will be ended. And you will see that people will come to you, help to you. Your issues will be solved. So you can recite in your sunnah these 6 surah, or you can perform salah of hajat and you can recite these surah in your salah of hajat. She says this is very tested and effective amal, and even I have experienced this amal so many times. I did this for my disease, and alhamdulillah, I got benefit and I became fine completely. So these surah are in my routine as well, and alhamdulillah, whenever I did this for any purpose, for any dua, Allah answered my dua, and Allah always gave me what I want in my life. So just recite this in your salah, and just recite these surah in your salah and see blessings, barakah, miracles in your life. May Allah bless us, accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.